Hello. It's Jessie-Kate. I have been wanting to get back into making YouTube videos ever since I stopped. I really have. I tried a couple times and it didn't work out. I pulled out my old video camera and I'm going to do an unboxing today. I hope my video camera works well. It's been so long. Cell phones have gotten so good, and that's probably what most people are using. And I'm not sure if that's what I should be doing, but I broke out my video camera. I looked through the SD card and there were all these clips from videos that I never finished. But I'm going to do it this time. I'm going to finish this one. Sorry, I'm going to stop rambling. I got a big package from CIDER. They had been advertised to me several times. And I was like, oh, that stuff's cute, but I never really clicked on it. I was like, I don't have money. I don't need to buy clothes right now, this, that, the other. And then recently I've been feeling like I don't have any cute warm clothes to wear. And I saw a really cute sweater in an advertisement, and I clicked on it. And I was like, this stuff is pretty inexpensive. So I got a bunch of stuff. I'm really excited. Really hopeful that I'm going to find something cute to wear to karaoke tonight. So let's get started. I don't need scissors. So, like I mentioned, I've been wanting to get back into making YouTube videos forever. A lot of stuff has gone on with me since I last made YouTube videos. I got my master's degree in education. I taught for 3 years. I quit teaching. Possibly for good, maybe not. I don't know. I was engaged. I was not engaged. I am now engaged to somebody else. Lovely lady. Lots of things happened. I gained 60 pounds, which is probably part of why you haven't seen me. I lost a lot of it. Not almost half. Very recently, which is why I get to buy clothing. So yeah. Hopefully the stuff is. So for some reason this dress is outside of everything else. I think this is a skirt actually, but it's really cute fabric. It's very sheer, very light, which is not what I was going for with the whole warm clothes thing, but doesn't mean it's not great. It feels nice. It's pretty soft. It's a maxi skirt, I believe. It might be T-length. I think it's a maxi skirt. I hope it's a maxi skirt. It's all tiered and flowy. And it is soft. I really like this. This is really pretty. It's fully elastic, so it's not as stretchy as it looks though. So I'm gonna try these things on and edit that in afterwards. But I don't know what I was gonna say. Oh, about the sizing. So on their website, they have sizing, you know, like small, medium, large, etc. on all the items, and then they have like their own size chart, like most stores do, right? But then also on each individual item, they had sizing in inches and centimeters, and it didn't necessarily match up with what was on the size chart. So what I should have done was check in with some other reviews and see which I could trust more. Also, there were reviews on each item telling you whether they could say whether it runs small or large. So overall, kind of a confusing combination. I should have checked in with reviews to see what I should have gone with, but I will say that what I did go with was the measurements on the individual items, the inches, centimeters, etc. So some of these are different sizes. So we'll figure out if that was a good idea or a horrible idea. I think this might be the sweater that... Ooh, soft. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, it's thick. That's really thick. I like. I think this is the sweater that actually caught my eye in the first place. It's really cute. It's kind of cropped, which would be great for wearing with Lolita. A lot of the stuff is kind of cropped, and that's generally nice for if you want to combine something with Lolita fashion. This would probably be even cuter with this dress than this that I'm wearing right now. This is really soft. I love it. So I like these 3 bows, and it's kind of open in the front. Little cardigan. That's so cute. I'm excited. Are these stickers? I got a sticker sheet. Oh, I like the little sticker sheet. Also, I don't know how they got confused, but they sent me an email like immediately after my order got delivered, and it was like, your order's been delayed. Here's $5 off your next order. We're so sorry. Here's $5 credit. We're sorry your order's late. I had it in my possession. It wasn't late. So I don't know what happened with that, but thank you. And I got a coupon code. So I would love to order again. I should probably get some money first. But so far I'm excited. This is an adorable headband. Because I want to wear stuff in my hair more often when I'm not wearing makeup. I think that would be good. These are so cutie. And they had like a bunch of different like necklaces, earrings, bracelets that would match this. But I'm not going to take this off right now because it'll put my hair. I'm not wearing my bow anyways. Okay. I forgot to put my bow back on my head. I love it. I don't have a mirror on me. I kind of wish I did. Here's another sweater. This is cutie. So it's got these bows down the sleeve. This is so cute. This would also be really cute with what I'm wearing right now. Woo! I love that so much. What is this? Oh, is it a tape measure? And to improve your shopping experience, here's a little tape measure to help you find the right fit and body measurements. Yeah, if something doesn't fit, your fault. Fix it for next time. So I have plenty of tape measures, but that's cute. That's a cute little free gift. Here's, oh, I like socks. No, tights. Tights, tights, tights. So these are like mesh tights with the velvet ribbons down them. That's really cute. You've got little hole openings. That's so cute. They're really soft, like really soft. Everything's so soft. I'm so excited. I got some jeans, which is funny because I haven't worn jeans in years. And then I was borrowing my fiance's jeans lately when I want jeans. So I need my own jeans. But these are neat. They've got these bows on them. They have a little bit of a funky smell. These are not stretchy. This is like men's denim. These are not, there's no stretch at all. That's scary. That's kind of terrifying. Ugh, why did I order that size? Okay, that's terrifying. I have no idea if I'll be able to get these on my body. We'll see. Go over there. I got a little cutie, like little corsety tank top. We'll see if I'm brave enough to try this on in front of the camera. No, it's way too sheer. That's not happening. Oh, okay, the whole thing's not sheer, but it's still a little scary. It feels soft and stretchy. Okay, it's got a little stretch. That's cutie. I want to feel like I'm a fairy. There's more. There's more! Oh yes, I'm so excited for this shirt. I'm so excited for this shirt. This looks so cute. And it's so soft. This is really soft. So I want a long sleeve shirt. Because like I said, I'm trying to get warm stuff. It's so cropped. It's got little lettuce edge rufflies. And it's got cute little deers with little red ribbons. I love deer stuff. I love, 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 love deer stuff. This is so cute. I probably have to wear a bra with this. I don't wear bras. Like at all. Anyways, oh, another top. That is not what I was expecting. The material's kind of like polyester-y, like not like super soft, like a little bit of a shine when you're really close up, kind of synthetic kind of feel. But it's cute. It's just a long sleeve shirt with a little lace on it, little cute top. So, oh, I guess this is, I think these are corduroy pants. So, at my last school that I taught at, my students found my YouTube channel, which wasn't a big deal. I wasn't like advertising it, but that would be weird. But I could have sworn I bought some corduroy pants, but maybe not. I wasn't like advertising it, but they found it. It wasn't like a problem. And they were like, you should make YouTube videos, you should make YouTube videos. And I asked them what kind of YouTube videos I should be making. And they said, and one of them said, one of my favorites, said, unboxing. And I was like, well, what am I going to unbox? So here I am, I'm doing an unboxing video. If you're watching, Brandon, this is for you. So this is just some black, like, bell bottoms. I've been really wanting bell bottoms recently. Partly because they're just cute. I always like bell bottoms. And this woman I see sometimes at karaoke, Holly, wears bell bottoms quite a bit. And I was like, oh, those are so cute, I need some. So I got myself some black bell bottoms. And these are denim, and there is no stretch. Oh, wait. Okay, these are at least like women's denim with a little bit of elastic to it. Whew. So, still scary, but less scary than the other pair. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, so I guess it's time to try this stuff on. This skirt is, again, it's so soft. It's super soft. It's the perfect length. I was hoping for it to be maxi length, and it's not like too long to where I have to hem it or step on it. It's really nice, and I'm wearing it at my true waist. I really like it. It's definitely not that warm, but beautiful. So this is the sweater that originally caught my eye. These sleeves are so baggy, no hands, which is, I'm pretty sure, intentional and really cozy. I love it. It reminds me of like emo days. It's so cute. I didn't bring a mirror in here because I'm goofy. Yes, I do. I do have a mirror right here. That's so silly. So, it's so cute. I love it. This is also super cute. I kind of folded it at the bottom. It's like a little bit cropped though, compared to what I would usually wear. Or fine, my sweater I like, I guess. The sleeves are so precious. I love them. They're not huge oversized like the other one, but they're just super cute with cutie bows. I love it. Feels cozy. Look at these. These are so nice. These are so cute. They're so soft. I'm really enjoying these. Ignore the pants for right now. This top is definitely even more cropped than I expected. I don't know how I feel about that. It's got this bunching on the side here, so it's like supposed to come up. It's pretty like soft, comfortable, cute and stuff. Just, I don't know how I feel about that. Here's the pair of jeans that have no stretch whatsoever. They're very, very, very tight on me. So I mentioned I used these, oh my goodness, those pockets. I used the sizing from the individual items, the little inches and centimeters, and I don't know why I thought that was going to work with this item because it's a medium, and I'm certainly not a medium presently, but somehow I got them buttoned, and maybe one day. They are really cute. I really like this. The ones on this leg might be a little longer than is intelligent, but because I'll be step. But they're really cute. I hope I wear them. I hope I fit them one day, or maybe I'll buy them in a larger size if I get money, because they are really precious. All right, so black bell bottoms. They're so big. I love them. It's cute. These fit perfectly. Even though I was going off of the measurements on the website, I don't know what in the world made me think I was going to fit into a medium. These are the extra large. So these fit perfectly, and I'm really excited about that. Yay! I'm so hyped about those. So this top is definitely longer than the other one. It's still a little shorter than a lot of the tops I have, but it's definitely longer than the other one. It is really cute, really precious. It's a little knit material, and the knit is little hearts. They're all upside down on the bodice, which is kind of funny to me. It's really, 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 really soft and just really precious. I'm in love with this shirt. If you got this far, I appreciate you sticking with me for my little attempt at returning to YouTube again. If you have anything you want to see, any ideas for videos, let me know. You want to hear more about things I said in this video briefly. My dress today is from Innocent World. I probably unboxed it in like the last video I posted, maybe, possibly. I'm not sure. Yeah. This bolero is from Dream V My Time Bow. I was going to wear a bow that my friend Krista made for me, but apparently forgot to put it on my head. This pin, my friend Sasha gave to me. It's from Sweet Mildred, and I believe the person who made this necklace was called Grandma Thunderpants. I got it at a con. I made one of my bracelets. I mean, that's pretty much it, right? Oh, the dress is Innocent World, if I didn't say that. So, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. I hope you liked the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!